Hello. Hi.
Hey,
Welcome. My name's Maya.
hello Maya. My name is Ahmed.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from? From.
Nice to meet you too. I'm from Iraq. How about you?
I am from England.
Mm-hmm. It's nice to meet you.
Yes.
Where do you live in England?
In London.
In London. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Does it rain now?
Yeah, it is raining.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, really?
Yes, the
I
weather.
I was just wondering.
No, it always rains over here. The weather in England is terrible. What do you do
Um,
here?
I I work with technology.
Oh, okay. Well, so
Mm-hmm.
what does that
Yeah,
entail?
I have a computer store. I sell the computers, fix them.
Yeah.
Um, I sell the extras of computers. So this
Okay.
is my main job. Hmm.
Oh, that's good. So if I have a
Yeah,
computer question, I can ask you.
absolutely. Yeah, you can.
Oh, well, that's
Okay. By
good.
the way, speaking about the computers, which brand do you use?
I use Apple. I use a MacBook.
Apple. Actually, I have been thinking to buy like Apple computer, but tell me what is the pros and cons being having Apple computer?
I think having an Apple computer, if you already
Hmm.
have like an iPhone or an iPad,
Yeah,
they all work together really well. You can send documents and the interface, it just works seamlessly. So I
they
think
have a
if
great
you,
synergy.
yeah, I think if you already have
Yeah.
Apple products, might as well get a MacBook. Um,
Hmm.
I think if you want, it depends what you want to use it for. If you're going to be using your computer for like heavy, like editing or coding and stuff,
Yeah.
maybe a
Hmm.
better computer, like a Windows computer or something, something that has a better processor. But I used my computer for like university and stuff, so it did what it needed to do, and like it could handle
Uh-huh.
like Photoshop and Illustrator, like editing, like picture editing and stuff, which was really good.
Yeah.
Also, it's very light. I have the MacBook Air, so if you have to travel with it, it's not heavy, which is good.
Yeah.
What else? I think I've had my computer for maybe coming up to 4 years now, and it's still working
Hmm.
really well. It's still very fast. So it lasts a long time as well. I really like it, yeah. The only thing is I have, like I've cracked, a bit of my screen. I did that, like, when I first got it, though, so that was really bad with me, but it hasn't broken,
Wow.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
But that was I think that's just my carelessness. It wasn't the computer's fault. But yeah.
Yeah, I see. Sometimes when I see like even like a tiny spot, you know,
Yeah,
on my screen, I still like, oh my goodness. I
yeah,
rub it, but still there. Oh my goodness,
yeah.
I really hate it. So how could you handle like scratch?
It's not on the actual screen, it's, like, on the bottom of the screen where it says, like, MacBook Air. I think I had
Ah,
accident had, like, closed something while I was, like, closing my laptop lid, and just something got trapped, and then I heard, like, a crack, and I was like, "Oh my god, I can't believe I've just done that." But, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Also,
So you
with
mentioned, yeah.
yeah? With these laptops, you
It's
can use your finger to log in. It has, like, a touch ID, so I can just use my
aha.
finger to log in, which is good.
Sometimes
Yeah.
it's not, because sometimes you like point out to something, not
Yeah.
like want to like to click on it. So, sometimes people they point out to something like, and
Yeah.
all of a sudden like you feel like, wow, it's opening now.
Oh, no, it's not a touch screen, but I can use my finger to log in. It's like it unlocks my laptop with my finger.
Ah, I
Yeah,
see. Yeah, I
yeah.
got you wrong.
Really,
Yeah, I thought
yeah.
like you were talking about like touch screen. Mm-hmm.
No, no,
Mm-hmm.
no.
So,
I don't think I want a touch screen on my laptop.
do you like it? Do you like this feature?
Yeah, well, not touchscreen on the laptop. I don't think I want a touchscreen laptop. Just because it would
Mm-hmm.
get really dirty and it's just I mean, you don't really if you already have a mouse, then there's no need for a touchscreen, I think.
Yeah. Also, it's like extra job. You need to clean up your screen every day.
Ex
So it's a lot of
exact
job, right?
Yeah, 100%. So what laptop
Mm-hmm.
would you recommend? What do you think
Actually,
is the best
I'm in love
one?
with Lenovo.
Yes, I've heard good things about Lenovo. Yeah.
Yeah,
Why
it's really
what are the
fast.
pros and
The
cons?
processor is amazing for
Yeah.
using like the laptops. I think like the processor of the Lenovo laptop, it's the best processor that I have ever used in my life with laptops.
Yeah. Really?
Mm. Yeah,
Is that like a specific, type? Is it like the new Lenovo's or just all Lenovo laptops?
all Lenovo's laptop. So
Okay.
once you like you tap on like the power button,
Yeah.
um, you don't see like something like loading. No, just like welcome Windows. Like wow,
Wow.
thank you. See,
Yeah.
I like
Oh, that's
Dell
good.
or like HP still like
Yeah.
loading out 2 years later.
Yeah. Yeah. They do
See,
take a
yeah.
while to load. Yeah.
How
What
about
other
Apple? Because I haven't used Apple before.
Apple's pretty fast. I mean, it still does take a while to load, when
Mm-hmm.
you, like, shut down the laptop and stuff. It's not as
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's as fast as Lenovo, laptops, but
Uh,
it's still quite fast. You don't have to wait very long, which is good. Yeah,
it is,
I think it
yeah.
does get a bit slower the longer you have it because it's getting old, but apart from that, I think
Uh-huh.
it's still really good. Yeah.
I see. So you
Yeah.
mentioned about like you're using your laptop in university.
Yeah.
What do you study?
Well, I finished university now,
Mm-hmm.
but I
Okay,
studied marketing. Yeah,
marketing. Mm-hmm.
yeah. It was really good. I
Do you
really
get
enjoyed it.
do you get this question a lot? Like, okay, sell me this, babe.
Oh, yes. Actually, yeah, I've gotten that question. I'm like,
This is my conception about like marketing. Like when I like hear like marketing, oh, they are good at convincing people.
yeah, that is a big part of it. I think I used to
Mm-hmm.
my job, I used to have a marketing job, and I used to like create like videos and social media posts um
Mm-hmm.
for for the company that I worked for. So I had to make sure that everything looked nice, all the graphics and stuff. And then I had to like highlight our like selling points, our key features of the products that we were selling and like why they're really good and stuff. But
Uh-huh.
yeah.
That's really interesting. So, do you believe that when you like post such a like these posts, like the lines should be like effectively to people, like a few words, but it's golden words.
Yeah, I think, it's when you see a product on your screen all the time,
Mm-hmm.
eventually you're going to want to start to research about that product, or you're going to be curious and be like, "Oh, what is this product? Like, I see it all the time." And eventually,
Mm-hmm.
once you see it enough, you're gonna be more inclined to buy it because you've become so familiar with the product. So that was basically our
Yeah.
aim when we were doing, like, social media posts and stuff. So when you're highlighting
Yeah.
constantly the best parts of the product, it's, like, ingrained in our customers' minds, and then when they're,
Exactly.
like,
Yeah.
thinking of what to buy, they think about our product
Mhm.
first. Yeah.
Wow. So you guys smart, like marketing people. Good job.
Well, I mean, they teach us all these things at university, we didn't figure it out.
Uh, uh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like you still like developing it, you know. So that's it's a
Yeah.
play.